Have you ever wondered how the Amish manage to keep their food fresh without the modern convenience of refrigerators? In a world dominated by technology, the Amish community stands out with their unique and traditional methods of food preservation. Welcome to Frugal Amish. Today, let's discuss how the Amish keep warm without central heating. Today, we're diving into the fascinating ways they keep their food cold, ensuring it remains safe and delicious for their families. The Amish have developed a variety of ingenious techniques that not only preserve food, but also reflect their deep connection to the land and sustainable living. One of the most common methods is the use of root cellars. These underground storage spaces maintain a cool, consistent temperature, making them ideal for storing vegetables, fruits, and even canned goods. The natural insulation of the earth helps regulate humidity and temperature, creating the perfect environment for long-term food storage. Another interesting technique is the use of ice houses. During the winter months, the Amish harvest ice from nearby ponds and store it in insulated buildings. This ice can then be used during the warmer months to keep perishables cool. It's a clever way to utilize natural resources while minimizing waste. The sustainability of these practices is truly remarkable. By relying on the Earth's natural cooling systems, the Amish not only save money on electricity, but also reduce their carbon footprint. This approach to food preservation is a testament to their commitment to living in harmony with nature. As we explore these traditional methods, you'll discover how the Amish community embodies a lifestyle that prioritizes sustainability, resourcefulness, and a deep respect for the environment. So, stick around as we uncover more about these fascinating techniques and how they can inspire us to rethink our own food preservation practices. To truly appreciate how the Amish keep food cold without refrigerators, it's essential to understand the cultural context that shapes their lifestyle. At the heart of Amish culture are the values of simplicity and frugality. These principles guide nearly every aspect of their lives, from the way they dress to how they manage their households. The Amish believe in living a life free from the distractions and excesses of modern society, which allows them to focus on what truly matters: family, faith, and community. Simplicity and frugality directly influence their food preservation methods. For the Amish, food is not just a commodity. It's a vital part of their way of life. They prioritize growing their own food and using traditional preservation techniques that require minimal resources. By relying on methods like canning, drying, and root cellaring, they not only save money but also reduce waste. This approach reflects their commitment to living within their means and making the most of what they have. Community plays a crucial role in Amish culture, reinforcing their values of self-sufficiency and cooperation. The Amish often come together to help one another with tasks such as harvesting crops or building structures. This sense of community extends to food preservation as well. Families share knowledge and resources, ensuring that everyone has access to the skills needed to keep food fresh and safe. This collaborative spirit fosters a strong bond among community members and reinforces their commitment to sustainable living. In essence, the Amish way of life is a beautiful blend of simplicity, frugality, and community. By embracing these values, they have developed food preservation methods that not only sustain their families, but also honor their cultural heritage. As we delve deeper into their practices, we can learn valuable lessons about resourcefulness and the importance of living in harmony with one another and the environment. The Amish community has mastered several traditional food preservation techniques that allow them to keep their food fresh without the use of modern refrigeration. Two of the most notable methods are root cellaring and the use of ice houses. These techniques not only reflect their resourcefulness, but also their deep understanding of nature and seasonal cycles. Root cellaring is a time-honored practice that involves storing fruits and vegetables in underground spaces designed to maintain a cool, stable temperature. The earth acts as a natural insulator, keeping the contents of the cellar at an optimal temperature for preservation. This method is particularly effective for storing root vegetables like potatoes and carrots, as well as apples and other hardy fruits. The humidity levels in a root cellar can also be controlled, which helps prevent spoilage and dehydration. By utilizing this technique, the Amish can enjoy fresh produce long after the harvest season has ended. Ice houses are another fascinating method used by the Amish to keep food cold. During the winter months, they harvest ice from frozen ponds and store it in insulated buildings. These ice houses are designed to keep the ice from melting for as long as possible, allowing the Amish to use it during the warmer months to keep perishables cool. This method not only preserves food, but also showcases their ability to harness natural resources effectively. Seasonal variations play a significant role in how the Amish adapt their food preservation practices. In the fall, for instance, they focus on harvesting and storing crops, while in the winter they rely on ice houses to maintain freshness. As spring approaches, they begin to plant new crops, ensuring a continuous cycle of food production and preservation. By aligning their practices with the seasons, the Amish demonstrate a profound respect for nature and a commitment to sustainability that can inspire us all. In a world where electricity is often taken for granted, the Amish community offers a refreshing perspective on food preservation through non-refrigeration methods. One of the most significant advantages of these traditional techniques is the cost savings associated with not relying on electricity for refrigeration. By utilizing methods like root cellaring and ice houses, the Amish can significantly reduce their energy bills. This frugality not only benefits individual households, but also contributes to a more sustainable economic model within their communities. The environmental benefits of sustainable food storage methods cannot be overstated. By avoiding modern refrigeration, the Amish minimize their carbon footprint and reduce energy consumption. Traditional preservation techniques rely on natural processes, which means less reliance on fossil fuels and a lower impact on the environment. This approach aligns with a growing global movement towards sustainability, encouraging others to consider how their food storage practices affect the planet. Moreover, these non-refrigeration methods can lead to healthier eating habits. When food is preserved using traditional techniques, it often retains more of its natural nutrients compared to items that have been processed or stored in modern refrigeration. The Amish prioritize fresh, locally grown produce, which means their diets are rich in seasonal fruits and vegetables. This focus on whole foods not only promotes better health, but also fosters a deeper connection to the land and the food they consume. Additionally, the act of preserving food through methods like canning, drying, and fermenting encourages mindfulness about what is being eaten. It fosters an appreciation for the effort that goes into food preparation and storage, leading to more intentional eating habits. As we explore the benefits of non-refrigeration, it becomes clear that these practices not only offer practical advantages, but also promote a lifestyle that values sustainability, health, and community. If you're inspired by the Amish methods of food preservation and want to incorporate some of these practices into your own life, you're in luck. There are several simple methods for food preservation that anyone can try at home, regardless of your experience level. One of the easiest techniques is canning. You can start with fruits like peaches or tomatoes, which are perfect for beginners. All you need are some jars, a canning pot, and a little bit of research on safe canning practices. This method not only extends the shelf life of your food, but also allows you to enjoy seasonal flavors year-round. Another accessible method is drying. You can use a food dehydrator or even your oven to dry fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Dried foods make excellent snacks and can be rehydrated for use in soups and stews. If you have access to a sunny spot, consider sun-drying as a natural alternative. Exploring local resources for sustainable living can also enhance your food preservation efforts. Farmers markets, community gardens, and local co-ops are great places to find fresh seasonal produce. Building relationships with local farmers can provide you with insights into sustainable practices and even opportunities to participate in harvests or workshops. Planning and preparation are crucial when it comes to food storage. Start by creating a meal plan that incorporates seasonal ingredients, which can help you make the most of your purchases. Consider batch cooking and freezing meals to save time and reduce food waste. Additionally, invest in quality storage containers that are designed for long-term use, whether for freezing or pantry storage. By implementing these practical tips, you can embrace a more sustainable lifestyle while enjoying the benefits of food preservation. Not only will you save money and reduce waste, but you'll also cultivate a deeper connection to the food you eat and the environment around you. In this video, we've explored the fascinating world of how the Amish keep food cold without the use of modern refrigeration. We've delved into their unique methods, such as root cellaring and ice houses, which allow them to preserve food effectively while maintaining its freshness. These traditional techniques not only reflect their resourcefulness, but also highlight a deep respect for nature and the seasonal cycles that govern their lives. We've emphasized the importance of sustainability and cost-saving practices that come with these methods. By avoiding reliance on electricity for refrigeration, the Amish community significantly reduces their energy costs and carbon footprint. This approach serves as a powerful reminder of how simple, time-tested practices can lead to a more sustainable lifestyle, encouraging us all to rethink our own food storage habits. As we wrap up, we encourage you to take these insights to heart and consider how you can implement similar practices in your own life. Whether it's trying your hand at canning, exploring local farmers markets, or planning your meals around seasonal produce, every small step can contribute to a more sustainable and cost-effective way of living. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with friends and family who might also be interested in sustainable living practices. Your support helps us create more content that explores these valuable topics. Don't forget to check out our related content for more tips and techniques on food preservation and sustainable living. Together, we can learn from the Amish way of life and embrace practices that not only benefit our wallets, but also our planet. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.